actor turned politician Kamal Haasan is currently campaigning for Udayanidhi Stalin. This is in the Chepauk constituency. It's a DMK stronghold, and Kamal Haasan, who launched his party, the MNM, is now currently campaigning for Udayanidhi Stalin, and a huge crowd has gathered here to welcome him. And interestingly, there are flags of the MNM as well as the DMK that have been put up here. This is the DMK stronghold. Currently, the Chepauk constituency is being represented by the Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Udayanidhi Stalin, and he had won from the constituency with over 60% of the vote share previously. This time around, of course, the DMK is confident that they will do well in the constituency, but they brought out their star campaigner, Kamal Haasan, who is campaigning. Even yesterday he campaigned with the Chief Minister, today as well visiting the DMK strongholds. So this is a signal that the DMK is also bringing out all the star power. Everybody are out, all those who are supporting the DMK, to the streets, and you can look at the visuals all around me, flags, Chief Minister, MK Stalin's pictures all being put up here as Kamal Haasan has just arrived. Now remember, this constituency is very significant for the DMK because this is also a constituency that has been represented by Karunanidhi, and he had represented this constituency for decades together, being undefeated all along. And now this time around again, Udayanidhi Stalin has been fielded from the constituency for the DMK. It's a very, very important, politically significant fight, and that's our ground report from Chepauk as Kamal Haasan campaigns here. With video journalist Manish Janani, this is Pratibha for Times Now.